Hello lovely people all over the world, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii, and as you can see I prepared another painting tutorial for you today. I would like to create a river in the middle of my pour, and for that I'll be using all these colors. Some phthalo green, sap green for the feel of forest, also some mauve color because I like this color and I think it will match nicely with my green. And then for my river, I'll be using phthalo blue and also titanium white. And if you'd like to know what I did with my colors, I mixed them with pouring medium. I usually mix 50% of acrylic colors and 50% of pouring medium, but sometimes if you've got different brands, you need to figure out how much amount you need to put. It should be like a slightly whipped cream. It shouldn't be too thick and also too thin, which is sometimes quite hard, but the key is to have the right consistency of your colors. And as a pouring medium, I made my own pouring medium from school glue. I used 60% of this glue and 40% of tap water. I mixed this together and that created my pouring medium. I will also put 2 drops of silicone in each color. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then mix it up. Not too much, just a little bit, like this. And here we go, we can start our pour. I've got canvas size 30 times 20 centimeters. And at the beginning I will pour a little bit of white in the middle, and I want to keep some white for later on for my river. So that's white, and today I will be making flip cup. So let's start with this beautiful green color. I'd like to have lots of green in there. Then my mauve. Let's mix it up all together. All of it. You know what? Let's put tiny bit of that blue in there as well. So just a little bit of that blue and my lighter shade of green. I can already see beautiful shades of colors. You know what? Let's just cover that with some white. And here we go. Ready, steady, go. Ooh, some lovely shades of green. Let's put the leftover colors here on these edges, so you don't want to waste any colors. Oh, I can see some beautiful cells. Look at that. Okay, so let's use my heat gun. interesting. Look at all these cells. And I can actually already see a river going through this pore. Okay, that's much nicer. When I switched off my light, you can actually see the actual colors. That's amazing. That's what I hoped for. And now the fun part starts. I would like to run a river through my pore. So for that, I've got my blue here, and it looks like this would be a good part for the start of my river. So let's pour this blue in here on the edge. And I've got this piece of plastic for swiping. It's something between thick and thin, just a sheet of plastic, and I'm going to make a swipe in this area. Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Can you see that? From the bird's view, a river going through some beautiful landscape. Let's go now. I have to decide, do I want to ruin this or make it even more interesting by adding white? That's a hard decision. You know what? I will add white because that's what I planned. But maybe if you'll be doing this, you can finish at this stage, but let's experiment. I love experimenting, so let's pour some white. It might add even more interest to it. Now I have to go in the same footsteps. Oh, that's amazing. I will use my heat gun because it will create some more cells. Yeah, that blue there was better. Should I try another blue? Let's try. I don't have anything to lose, and it will create some beautiful lines around my river. So more blue, here we go. And I promise this is the last step. Okay, yes, that looks amazing. Hello, welcome back after 5 days. My pore is dry, and as you can see, some cells appeared in my river, which I don't like that much. Of course, it's totally okay if you keep it like this. If you like it this way, then that's fine, but I'm gonna upgrade it a little bit, just few little touches with my Velo blue, which I used for my river, so I will try to cover these cells, and also I will use some black and white for highlighting these borders in my river. So now here comes the time for my black. I'm using this Mars black, and I'm gonna put some shades on these borders because I want it to look like it's 3D. So just few lines which will make it look more 3D. And I always put my brush in water and try to blend my black. And also let's use this phthalo blue and put it here, so it should be dark on the other side as well. Like that. And then the other side I will use white because I want to reflect some sun reflection in these borders. Okay, that's it. That's my bird's view acrylic pour, and of course it's totally fine if you just do the swipe, but I always like to add a little bit more into my pours. These could represent some beautiful trees and some field. I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. You can create such a beautiful art with this technique. And if you liked it, please give a thumbs up or share it with your friends. You can also comment and let me know what do you think about this pour. And you can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you are all healthy and safe. I wish you beautiful February and see you soon. Bye.